Hello, this is Las Vegas Lockpicking, and what I have for you today is an Avis Model 7240. We're going to go ahead, we're going to pick it open, we're going to take it apart, see what we have inside, and then we're going to put it back together. And without further ado, let's get started. Let me just make sure the focus on my camera is good. Perfect. We'll be using bottom of the keyway tension with a standard Z-bar and standard hook in 18 thousandths. Nothing on 1, 2, little click out of 3, nothing on 4, 5, 6 is binding, click out of 6, back to the beginning, click on 1, some movement in the core, counter rotation on 2, counter rotation on 3, more movement, nothing on 4, 5, or 6, back to the beginning again, nothing on 1, counter rotation on 3, and we're open. Come on. There we go. All right. And then let me just make sure my tray is lined up. Excellent. Everybody's taking one of these locks apart. I'll just remove the screw down the shackle hole. After that, let's get our tweezers and our follower. Cord drops right out. Move the C-clip on the back. There we go. We can lock this back up. We've got a key. Let's think about this really quick. That should be fine. Oh, drop the first key pin out, no big deal. There we go. So that's key pin number 1. And let's get the rest of these out. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Let's go ahead and get our drivers out. Standard pin in 1. Spool in 2. Spool in 3. Spool in 4. Spool in 5. And a spool in 6. Dump out our springs. Let's arrange these. Then grab some springs for each pin. They all look to be standard, except for this one spring, which I accidentally bent. So there's all of the pins for you. We'll go ahead and give you guys a close-up. Perfect. And then because it is a factory padlock, we can see there's nothing interesting going on with the core or with the cylinder, no counter milling, nothing, and nothing interesting going on with the plug. All right, let's put it back together. Just do everything in the reverse order now, pretty much. We'll take, let's see, how do we want to do this? I'll go from pin 1, put in a spring. We'll need our follower. And our driver pin. Oh, lost it. Oh, lost it again. There we are. Alrighty. Now we got it in there. And then 2. Driver pin on 2. Excuse my dog in the background. Oh, we lost 1. Right. Let's try pin number 2 again. Spring in 2. Spool for 2. There we go. Spring for 3. Damn it, I lost 2 again. Trying to put it in slot 3 instead of slot 2. There we go. All right. Slot 3. Spool for slot 3. Oh, lost it down a different pinhole. There we go. And spring for 4. Spool for 4. Spring for 5. Spool for 5. And our up spring in 6. Spool in 6. And that's that. Now, go ahead and take our core. Drop all of our key pins back in. Oh my god. My dog is going wild. Why? Y. And there's all of that. And we'll just slide. Oh, probably helps if we go the right direction. Slide these back together. There we go. Just give it a quick test with the key, make sure we didn't break anything. Good to go there. We'll slide the C-clip back on. And then we'll toss it right back into the lock. Drop the screw down the shackle hole. Perfect. Give it one last test just to make sure we're golden. And we are. Perfect. Alrighty. That, ladies and gentlemen, is an ABUS 7240 picked, gutted, and reassembled. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. And until next time, have a nice day.